Signs your HVAC system is failing. We come home, we turn the thermostat on, we put it on cooling, put it on 68 degrees and it's still 75 inside the house. We wait about 20 minutes and guess what? We still have hot air coming out of the vents. It's too hot in here. We need to call a service technician. So what we do is we check to make sure that the filter is clean, make sure that your breakers are all on. If that's all working accordingly and everything is fine, you should call a service technician. Another sign that your system is malfunctioning and not operating correctly is when you go up to it and it's lacking in air coming out of the vents, like very light whisper coming out of those vents, that can tell you it's a dead indication of either your AC is frozen, your filter's dirty, or you're not getting enough airflow because your blower's probably failing. That's another reason why your system can fail is your blower. If your blower's not running correctly, you're not going to get any air at all. Another sign that you can experience of your HVAC system failing is when you get home and you hear like, what is that rattle? And everyone's like, I don't know, I've been hearing this rattle for months. Well, when you go closer to that rattle and you finally realize that that rattle's coming from your air conditioning system, it's an indication of, hey, you should call a professional out there to see what's going on with the system. It could very well mean that something's about to break for good and not give you any AC entirely. Call your HVAC professional. Get these things checked. That way you do not have any of the issues for the cooling season.